Yo, what's going on, family? We back again. Pack a day, every day. Day number 387. And this our last pack of Chaos Rising from our 2 booster bundles from the Pokemon Center. So, I'm going to try to get some more packs of Chaos Rising because we're still chasing this Jarpok and the Greninja and other stuff in there too. So, let's get to it. See if we get a good hit today. Happy Friday to you. Hope everybody's work week went well. Get to it for the weekend. You already know. I think we might have some, ladies and gentlemen. QR code for the family. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Gone. All right. We got this Marie. We have a Finnegan. Man, I love him. I'm gonna keep saying this again. Look at that. Look at that background. Look at that illustration. Like, man, if the video game can look like what this card is looking like here as far as graphic-wise, I mean, When the Waves is looking good as far as the trailer that we seen. But, man, if they can really get it to like that, you know, some other stuff, work with the kinks and stuff like that, we good to go, baby. Meditang, Claydol, AZ Trillicum, say, in the game of ZA, a Ferrothorn. Okay, I like that background too, that forest background back there. You can see like the trees and all that. Like, that's clean right there. And he's going sideways, like he's going rope from the trees. Of course, this gold back is clean. Definitely feeling the illustration on this gold back. This is nice right here. See the detail work. See like the leaves and stuff right there. Tight. That's real tight. Hey.
This emotion party you cannot get in. Don Julio on drink gin. Bad bitches love me. Chain like a slushy. Wrist like an ice pack.
Hey, our second. That's our second one. Xerxes. I think that's how you pronounce it. But this is fire right here. Xerxes. Put it in the comment section if I'm saying it right. But, you know, I'm butchering the names. We don't get these names right. And, of course, our Del Fox. But, okay then, family. Our second one. Last pack magic, and we got us a hit. We're gonna sleeve this up. So this is our second one. Xerxes. I think that's how you find Xerxes, right? We're gonna get it together. We're gonna get it together. But yeah, this is nice. This is clean too. We gotta double check the other one too. They both clean too. Actually, this is very good gradable right here too. So whoever gets this in their binder will definitely enjoy this for the giveaway binder. We're gonna add this. So this is our second Xerxes. It's nice. Clean too. Okay. We're gonna put our extra cards. We're gonna use the box. And then we got an empty box for some more Chaos Riser. That way we can try to keep our bulk together. All right, now let's get to the giveaway binder. Like I said, give away 8 binders. The first 2 pages will be filled up, like from what you just seen today, from the pack of days, from me doing some unboxing, some EX unboxing, booster bundles, ETBs, promo packs, coin packs, different stuff like that nature. But we're gonna put that right there to the side, and let's check give us the update. Last time we checked, we had 4.5 pages to go, and like I said, once the binder is filled up, we will be doing the giveaway. And I'll get to the names, and we have 60 slots left. So right now we have 47, so you got another 13 slots that we can fill up on that one. So let's get to it. We have some supporter trainers, EXs, Apexes. I have full arts, art arts, reverse hollows. Got promo cards. Got this Radiant. We have some Sword and Shield, Crown Xena, this Rayquaza V. Fire right there. You know, Rayquaza, my boy. Love that Sharknado. We have a Lapras, my dog. Rainbow Lapras. We have full arts, EXs, shinies. We have 151 EXs, some 151 promo cards from pulling my water boxes, and just pulling some EXs out of like booster bundles, out of Kazam boxes and stuff of that nature. So some more Sword and Shield for my Sword and Shield fans. There's Aurora V right there, fire. We got promo cards from Ascended Heroes, the tech sticker pack. We have the knockout boxes, Suicune, you know what I'm saying, EXs, with the Pit Pluck from Phantasm Flame. Check it out, check it out. Charizard Y, another Lapras, Embor EX, check it out. Apexes, we got Pokeballs, Master Balls, Love Ball, Leaf Ball, Water Ball, balls. Full art, all art, Salamence, love this Salamence. Pikachu, Messino, this Weavile. I love this. This is super dope, man. This is just so fire to me right here. I love this art card. So whoever get this, I hope you guys enjoy this one as well. This is one of my favorite cards as far as in the binder. Y'all let me know. Put it in the comment section. Which card do y'all like so far in this binder? Y'all let me know which the card that y'all like in the binder, which y'all enjoying. Look at this right here. Scorbunny. Yep. Check it out. Love the Dugong. Cool promos, Alpoon. Yeah, y'all put it in the comment section. Garchomp, not Machamp, Garchomp. Wigglytuff, Heracross, Mega Heracross. Like I said, since I got 8 of these, each binder will get one of these promo cards since we do have 8. Love the Squeeflable from Perfect Order. Yeah, y'all put it in the comment section what y'all like. Which one is y'all favorite card so far in the binder? Put it in the comment section. Let your boy know. My boy Spagrito. Palafin right there. Fire. Dope. Nice. Here we go. Said for all my Sword and Shield fans too, you know, they wanted some cards in here. I don't have many V-Stars and V-Maxes and stuff like that. But I do got some holos, reverse holos and stuff I can hook you guys up. I'm gonna try to get some more, you know what I'm saying? Check that out. Like I said, we did pull. That's the first one right there. Did you see we just pulled for our second one? Fire. Hey. So it's 2 people, and this is where we left off. Bam. So we got our slot right there. Put that up in there. Bam. Like I said, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.5 to go, and once this last page is finished up, that's when we will be doing a giveaway. It'll be most likely on a Saturday. You feel me? Let's get it. Here are the names so far. We got 47. I'm taking 60 names. Well, 48, my bad. We have 48. So we're gonna fill it up front to back, y'all. Pause. So all you gotta do, you wanna be part of the giveaway. Number 1. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. If you're new to the family, hit that hype button. Put your name in the comment section, or put your favorite Pokemon in the comment section, like my boy Free Dot. Go and salute, subscribe to his channel as well, my boy Free Dot. And if you're already part of the family, hit that like button, hype the video, leave your name in the comment section, or leave your favorite Pokemon in the comment section, and I'll add your name to the list if your name's not already on here. So I'm gonna give you the rundown so y'all can see the name. So if your name is already on here, I got you. You good? We locked in. And for the new ones, if you don't see your name, go and drop the name in the comment section and say, yo, D, add me to the list. I got you. You know I'm gonna comment back. And if I'm not subscribed to your channel, I don't care if you do videos or not, I will subscribe back to you. I love the family. Always gotta show that love and support to the ones who show me love and support. You feel me? Gotta give back. Never too big. Pause. You know what I'm saying? To always show love to the ones that show love to you. You know what I'm saying? And for giveaway number 2, when we're done with the binders, we're gonna do giveaway number 2 for the 3 CGC slabs. Do the same thing as well. Hit that like, share, and subscribe, and that hype button. Sub up to the channel if you're new to the family. Welcome to the family. And if you already part, hit that like button, hype the video, drop your name or your favorite Pokemon in the comment section, and I got you. So, all right, family, we won today. Hey, win some, you lose some, but we won today on Good Friday. Hope everybody enjoy your weekend. You already know, stay warm. I mean, not stay warm, because it's hotter than mud. Stay cool, my bad. See, that's how hot it is. I'm over here saying stay warm. That's how hot it is. You feel me? But stay cool, y'all. I appreciate you. Love. Hey, gotta collect them all. Gotta catch them all. See y'all tomorrow, family. Deuces.